Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective Tech video. Today I'm sharing with you my experience of using the ZToTop case for my Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. This is not a review of the case itself, but just sharing with you my usage experience. They call it a case, but I think it's more like a cover because the edges are exposed. I've been using this case for about 9 months. And I deliberately didn't clean it so that all of you can see how it has aged over the 9 months. This is what I like to show on my channel, by the way, the reality of using my tech gear. This section of the case is starting to wear off a bit because this part is used to rest on the tabletop. You can see the microfibers of the materials are starting to get rough and falling off. And this stain is from when I set the tablet on my kitchen benchtop while video conferencing, without realizing that there is a bit of pasta sauce on my benchtop. Yes, this case has taken quite a lot of rough handling and is still lasting pretty well after 9 months. My tablet is pretty much with me all the time, even at night when I go to bed. Have a look at my bedside table setup. I have a simple tablet stand I bought from IKEA propping up the tablet. When I'm lazing in bed, wanting to watch videos on my tablet, this ZToTop magnetic cover makes it so easy for me to just grab my tablet without the case itself. Now, without the case or the cover, the tablet is so much lighter to handle in bed. This allows me to enjoy using my naked Galaxy Tab S6, feeling its thinness, featherweight, and appreciating the beauty of the tablet design. I don't really need a case to protect it from dropping when using it in bed. And when I'm done, I simply slot the tablet back into the case and the magnet will snap it into place. I love it, really love the magnetic design. The magnetic attachment makes it super easy to attach and remove the cover, and the SPen as well. You'll see me demonstrate this more as we go along in this video. Now, speaking of the SPen, it's so easy to retrieve and replace the SPen using this ZToTop case. The best part is that it protects the SPen very well too. This SPen bump actually acts as a handle for me to securely grab hold of my tablet. That's the best part of this case, I think. One thing to note is that the cover does not protect the edges of the tablet. We can say that this is a negative downside of the ZToTop cover, because the side protection is kind of limited. But it's also because the sides are exposed. This allows us to magnetically attach the SPen to the edge of the tablet. But if we were to use a silicone case, we won't be able to take advantage of this feature. Even when we need to store the SPen back in its charging slot, it still can be done quite easily because of the magnetic flap of this case. Very convenient. This is why I love this cover so much. When I did my research on this case, the ad on Amazon website says this is an improved second version of this ZToTop case. The second version's magnetic attachment will not affect the use of the tablet SPen like the first version would. We're going to take a quick look at it now. This is the video on the Amazon ad when I purchased this ZToTop case cover. From their demonstration video, the first version does seem to have a big problem. There are areas in the center of the tablet's digitizer simply could not register the SPen. The SPen just can't write or click on those areas. The second version I bought definitely allows the tablet to register the SPen on the whole tablet surface. But hang on, have a look carefully at the lines I'm about to draw. Notice that the center areas of the line has thinner pen stroke, even when I'm applying the same pressure using the SPen. It seems like they might have replaced it with a not so strong magnet, but the magnets are still affecting the pressure sensitivity of the digitizer registering the pen stroke. This is kind of annoying when I'm writing sentences, specifically around the center part of the tablet. It's like writing using pen and paper, but the pen is running out of ink. Judging from the video, the second version of this case definitely works a lot better than the old version, but the SPen is still kind of affected. Now, I also discovered that the magnet only affects Android apps that use the pressure sensitivity of the Tab S6 SPen and digitizer. Look at what happened when I turn off the pressure sensitivity and still have the magnetic case on. The problem is gone. This is why most of us will think that this second version of this case has fixed the problem. This note-taking application I'm using is called Squid. Squid allows me to switch on and off the SPen pressure sensitivity. If I were to use an application such as Samsung Pen Up to do coloring and detail drawing, I will have to remove the case entirely. Now, apart from that, I have no problem using the tablet though. I have to say, doing simple clicking and scrolling with the SPen on all areas of the tablet seems to be working fine. Even though the SPen is slightly affected by this magnetic case, I still like this ZToTop case a lot and use it every day because of its magnetic convenience. ZToTop designed this cover very similar to the design of the Samsung book cover. The only major difference is that this ZToTop cover cost only $30, while Samsung book cover cost around $90. I kind of can buy and replace this ZToTop case 3 times for the same cost of the Samsung book cover. So, if you were to ask me would I recommend this ZToTop case cover? Most definitely yes, I would say. The convenience of the magnetic features, easy installation and removal of the cover works so nicely. Don't worry about the SPen not registering. It doesn't affect the day-to-day normal use of the tablet. It only affects detailed drawing and writing sentences, which many of us don't really do very often. Even if we want to do those precise SPen activities, it's good to know that we can easily remove and install the cover back in an instant. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and supporting my channel. Please like this video if you find it helpful. And if you enjoy such tech gear usage experience video, remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.